Here's some heirloom planting trivia. Subscribe. Which herb commonly has heirloom types such as Genovese? Is it A, ceylon, B, thyme, sisal, or D, chives? The correct answer is C, basil. What vegetable features heirloom cultivars like Chioggia? Is it A, radish, B, cabbage, C, beet, or D, carrot? The correct answer is C, beet. Which flowering plant includes heirlooms like Mammoth Sunflower? Is it A, rose, B, daisy, C, sunflower, or D, tulip? The correct answer is C, sunflower. What heirloom variety of squash is known as Waltham Butternut? Is it A, acorn, B, butternut, C, zucchini, or D, spaghetti? The correct answer is B, butternut. Which citrus fruit includes heirloom types like Meyer? Is it A, lime, B, tangerine, C, orange, or D, lemon? The correct answer is D, lemon. What leafy green has varieties such as Butterhead in heirloom gardening? Is it A, lettuce, B, kale, C, arugula, or D, spinach? The correct answer is A, lettuce. Which fruit is represented by heirloom types like Cavendish? Is it A, grape, B, banana, C, orange, or D, apple? The correct answer is B, banana. What grain is known for heirloom varieties like red fife? Is it A, rice, B, barley, C, wheat, or D, oats? The correct answer is C, wheat. What type of cucumber has heirloom varieties such as lemon? Is it A, vitis, B, daucus, C, cucumis, or D, solanum? The correct answer is C, cucumis. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.